Ngicela ungibheke emehlweni angilumani.
Pass.
Why?
I don't like you.
Why?
Like, type yami.
Can I grab it? Why?
Can he grab it? Why?
Why?
Okay, you can grab it.
Kamo. Yabo kamife bebangiyangisa kanjani?
Oh yeah, never know this day. It's going to be crazy. It's going to be bananas.
Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy China, aka Kawasaki City Boys. We are people to hit the league, so let's get it, my boys. Still with Pinville, still in my room, still with my boys, still with the girls. We about to shoot a smash of face. Yeah. Okay, cool. Where we starting now? Cause like, okay.
Danke.
Let me read it.
Girls. Okay.
Yeah.
Hey guys, it's your girl Jade. Catch me on IG. I'm so passionate.
Why?
Come host in the cam, bro. Come in the cam, bro.
Oh.
Pass.
Why? Why?
Come chosen.
Hello,
He's not my type.
The boy.
Smash, obvious.
Right?
Because oh yes.
He's your type.
Hold the mic. No,
I'm gonna pass you.
Pass. So pass everyone, smash shine.
So,
Oh, what about me?
I'm gonna smash you.
Why?
Yeah. Who you pull?
Wait. I'ma smash you.
Oh, intro.
Yeah, man. Sure, what's up? It's your boy Tablo, ne? Catch me on IG, Facebook. Yeah, let me start.
Yeah.
I'ma smash you.
Why?
Just for fun. Smash you.
Cam, baby.
I'ma smash you.
Why?
She look like my type. I'm also
She looks like, yeah?
like my type, dog. She looks like my type.
Okay.
I'm also smash you. I like you.
Hey, relax, my brother. Oh, chill.
Yeah.
Oh, Donna.
Smash. Like it.
So I'm like,
Yeah. Smash her too.
yeah.
Oh, wait.
So now it's far, no. Okay, so
Hi guys, I'm Kayla. Catch me on IG, okay? Yeah. I'm gonna pass you.
yeah.
Pass. Smash.
Why are you smashing this one?
He looks like my type.
Type shit.
Let's go.
And
This one?
okay, pass.
Why?
I don't like you.
Why?
Like, type yami.
Alright.
Me now?
Smash.
Under rocks. Okay, it's cool. Come back in the line. What you doing now? Okay, where we at?
You know the name, the face was the way, man. It's a boy, Pet Break Up here. Can catch me on Instagram and TikTok. Hey.
Hello.
What's up?
You better mic.
I'm not. Like, it's a pass now.
Why are you passing this one? Can you show her on the cam?
She passed me, dog. So like, let me smash. What the fuck? Hey.
Hey.
What's up? You are?
I'm Kayla.
I'm killing Kabane. It's a pass.
Okay.
Hey.
Hello.
What's up?
What's up?
What's up? It's a smash. Hey. What's up?
Happy.
Why are you laughing?
I won't take.
Okay, it's cool. It's a smash. Ne?
Yeah.
Are we quick?
Okay, where we... Ay. Utsini umtamara wena. Asibala.
Okay. Hi, it's Primrose. Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
Grand winner.
I'm fine. Smash.
Why are you smashing this one?
They said the blacker the berry, the sweeter the juice, as they say. Hi. How are you?
I'm chilling. How about yourself?
I'm fine. What's your name?
Cabo.
Okay, Kamu. Respectfully, pass, ne? Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good, and you?
I'm fine. Pass, ne? Hi.
Hello.
Osha.
You sharp, you know?
You sharp.
These niggas are making noise in the car. Way.
Thank you. Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy, Young Crazy, the guy who took your lady out for a candy after hours. She called me daddy. Let's get to them. Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
Good and you?
I'm good. What's your name?
Jade.
Jade. Okay, it's a clean smash. Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Finding
I'm good. Your skirt looks like a mirror, and I'm seeing myself in it, so it's a smash. Hi.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, and you?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
Primrose.
Oh, are you a musician?
No?
Because whenever I look at you, everyone here disappears. So it's a smash.
Okay, thank you.
Molweni,
Hello.
njani?
Ngishapena.
Ngiyaphila. Igama?
Muzinki.
Zinki. Fed it's a smash. Because ngifuna ukudrive code 14, so yeah.
Wena ungalunga ku 14 umngaka.
Angalunga.
Bese angalunga ku 14.
Ayilutho ndoda.
They say don't judge a book by its cover.
Mele uthole ikuta ne. Okay, now I got 1,000. You'll be asking for 1,000. This is that.
Awuyivali ngapho. Awunikisi sayivali awu.
Lutho ayingene.
Hayi.
Ufuna ukuyivala
Flawleka hayi.
mawuthi niyabalawula.
Athi ngibalawule mina hayi.
Angiyeka zambe.
Yeah, bathi kwenza kaladi player yela. Oh yo bafethu, it's for $1,000 for my mates abafethu, and I'm back again with another video bafethu. Nje ukuthi lento bafethu sayiphusha sayikhanda bese sayideliver kakuhle. Oh yeah, never know this day it's going to be crazy, it's going to be bananas. Esihlare fela asibalale. Kuyabane nabona na ngithi. Hi.
Hello.
Unjani?
Sharp wena.
Sharp. Yo, I'm happy today. Can I get to Mama 360 nyana? Ow. Ayalawuleka lo. Again yo. Ngacela. Oh. Does it jiggle? Can I, I'm asking you. Can I grab you? Avon. It's a smash. Okay, sure. Hi.
Hi.
What's up?
Sharp wena.
Nigga, sharp. I'm here with
Kila.
ma'am.
Kila.
Kida. Okay. Can I get 316 nya for the camera nya? Again, yo. Ngathi nalawuleka namhlanje. Can you just wait there? Can I ask? Does it jiggle? Can I grab it? Why?
Can he grab it? Why?
Why?
Okay, you can grab it.
Marai, yazini zokuphasa yabona. In a good way. And athi ngise ngapha Ay uyabona bafethu ngitula phela bafethu ngitula phela bafethu. Hayi.
Hello.
Ushap.
Sharp wena.
Nake sharp. Ha mara lwena mara. Hawu. Wenza lani? Hawu lena. Mara lwena mara why? Watlavela wa re ke tla smash pace ma today. Wa ntela ka phaki. Wa ngitella. Oye mesmo. Does it do?
No, it doesn't.
Yo. So nka se kgone go etsa.
No.
Hayi wena. Hayi sharp. Ngizokuphasa bona. Hayi yo. bathi kanti ba reng mama wasekhaya bashapo ma
Ke teng wena o kae?
nna ke shapa dilo stofu a o tlile se mtshita tshilo ma code 14 inyana watsho ngayita kae ba code 14 inyana ye
Are you sure?
nka thola bo ma 360 for the inyana okay kamera sha for today kamera sha amara itse ke
Singomehla abantu.
I know on smashing for the day. Guys, please subscribe to my channel, guys. Yeah, promotion.
Sanmonani. Hi guys, it's a girl Stufuza, well known as Upriri Sayen. TikTok, Instagram and Facebook was on Tango Priri Sayen. Marabanga zibangazi ngoStufuza asikakhohle. Qala ngapha vele ne.
Not me.
Hello.
Sure.
Njani?
Nandi wena.
Ngiyaphila. Ngithanda ivoice yakho ne. Yeah, mara respectfully pass ne. Hello.
Hi.
Njani?
I'm chilling up with yourself.
Ngiyaphila. Yini waqalaza? Zikhiphani ziphi? Ngicela ungibheke emehlweni angilumane. Ngicela ungibheke. Angilumane kuqalaza ngisejuice. Right.
Yeah, sharp.
Ngiyaphila bangigama lakho?
Ukampo.
Kamu. Yebo kamifebe banginyangisa kanjani ne? I'm a smash. Hello.
Hello.
Njani?
Ngiyaphila wena.
Ngiyaphila. Guys uzicelele wathi ngamdisi ne. And bengifuna ukusho something at some point.
Isho, it's allowed. This is my
No,
channel.
vela ngizoyisha ngithuka ngazalwa kagala ngazalwa ngabikwa mina. So ungathuka right?
Right, wena.
Ngiyaphila konke ngifuna ngisho ne ingakuhlali kabi. Ne as when uthe ufuna ukudrive i-code 14 for mina ngeke azalunge guys. I'm too big for him. Like angazi if nangekhetha.
Mina drive in.
Yeah.
Mina drive in.
Ana noma ngangena kuboma Ferrari Porsche nyana ntonyana. Nalapho uzoba ikhiphile.
Ikuta.
Hayi iskuta ngisigibeli.
Iskuta.
Ngizowanaso.
Sekuba i.
Ngizowanaso. Iyafana nepatshatsha ke le. Amapass ne. Hello.
Hi,
Okay.
Isha wena?
Kitty.
Isha.
I'm a smash for today.
Eyes.
Yeah.
Mr.
Just for today I'm a smash.
Okay.
Yeah.
I like to smash.
So, anyone who wants a kiss? Do you want a kiss? You?
Nah.
You?
Nah, bro, I'm alright.
Show him. Do you want a kiss?
Nandi boy.
I want a kiss. Nkhona channelini. Okay, this is the end of the video. Bafethu, it's your boy China aka Kawasaki City Boys. Everybody here, so let's get him. Boom.